How to fix missing or disappearing photos in Motorola S70. First of all, clear gallery cache. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search gallery app. Now click on gallery, scroll down, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, gallery will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, check hidden files. Open gallery. Now in gallery, check hidden files. After that, check recycle bin. Now click on trash and recycle bin. Now here you will see missing or disappearing photos. Select that you want to restore. After selecting, tap and hold on picture or video and click on restore. After click on restore and click on allow. After click on allow, selected picture or video will be restored from your phone gallery. This is how you can fix missing or disappearing photos in Motorola S70. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.